Welcome back to 1x4x10 Sawmill, you guys. There's another hop in there today. We're going to change bands. Got a little batch of 1x4s I got to cut, so I got kind of in a hurry for them. Stop what I'm doing. Band over here so we can make some time. I don't know where all you viewers are from. I'm from North Carolina, and I'm telling you, we have had the rain. I bet right here in my location, we've got 20 or 22 inches of rain so far this month of July. Seems like it's every day. And all over the news and Facebook and everywhere, just seems like everywhere it's getting flooded. Places you never hear tell are getting floods, they're getting washed slap out. So we got the new band on. I'm going to stop this and get the log while on it, and I'll start it back up and we'll square that thing up and get it ready to make some 1x4s. It ought to make 20. Alright, my slab rack outside behind me, where I normally roll the slabs down the roller tables and just flip them over into the rack, is full. And I don't really feel like banding that bundle up right now and taking that little bit of time. So I got the skid steer part over here on the loader side of the sawmill. I'm just going to pitch the slabs over there and I'll carry them and put them on the pile later. Make this opening cut. If you hadn't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll get my notifications when I put something out. Sure will appreciate it. Right here, there's a piece of bark, loose bark, sits on my turner, and it just won't. It don't want to turn. The bark just slips. So I have to let off of it and let the bark fall and start over, and eventually we get it turned. It don't take long for these pine logs laying around in this hot weather for the bark to slip. If you look right here, a piece gets caught against my guide roller and it's throwing the sawdust down on the floor. What I'm about to do next, I don't recommend people doing just for safety reasons. Okay, I'm gonna speed this clip up a little bit just to hurry on through it. Got it where I need to stop, and I hadn't got no few boards to edge, so I'm gonna edge them on the mill. I'm not gonna crank the edge right place. So that's 3, 6, 7, about 9 of them, and 1, 2, 3, about 5 of them. I'm just gonna split them in half. I'm gonna stop it here and get ready to edge, and I'll be right back. Well, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna quit for a little bit and go eat me some lunch and cool off and get me something cold to drink. We'll get back and video some more here shortly. Finish up those 1x4s. That's the good thing about working for myself. My commute back and forth to work is nice. In about another 30 seconds, I'll be walking in my door. All right, I'm back from eating. Cooled off a little bit. Got a dry shirt. Dry for now, anyway. I'm gonna edge these few boards here that's on the mill. I'll probably, when I edit this video, I'll probably speed up the process up. Nobody wants to see that. Then we might put something else up there. I got some red oak to saw for that customer that I cut the maple for the other day. I need to get them cut. I'm gonna edge these and we'll see what we're gonna do after that. All right, I got those done. Y'all might hear my fan blowing. It sounds like I'm in a tornado. That's what it is. I ended up getting 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 24. And that one right there, 25 out of that little pine log. But that's more than a plenty. for what the guy wants. So now I can get back to doing something else. So it goes with that maple. I may put some of that on this video. I may wait for the next one. So if I don't, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know where you guys are from. And if y'all been getting all this wet weather that we've been getting. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.